At Euron, we believe that education should be accessible to everyone, no matter where they are. Too often, access to high-quality education comes with a high price. At Euron, we're breaking down these barriers by providing affordable, world-class online courses for learners everywhere. We offer a wide range of courses, whether you're looking to dive into tech fields like programming, AI, and data science, or enhance your non-tech skills like digital marketing and project management. Accessibility, quality, innovation, and community are at the heart of everything we do. Our courses are designed to be affordable, practical, and engaging, making it easy for you to learn from anywhere, on your schedule. At Euron, we're not just preparing learners for today, we're preparing them for tomorrow. Our programs are crafted by industry experts to equip you with real-world skills and drive your future success. Visit Euron.one to start your journey.